this is us heading out for our first camp out of the year.
Yep, down to Glencoe Bothy.
We started at Calstrom and we're going down to Glendu Bothy on this track here, down Glendu. We were on the hunt for Britain's tallest waterfall.
Yes, and we saw some amazing waterfalls on the way.
We were spoilt by them. So this track is about, 5 miles long?
Yeah.
We're heading down to Glendu Bothy,
where we'll stop for our lunch.
We've been down this track numerous times on bike and by foot.
Yeah, it's a great track.
It's lovely, yeah. But we've never been to Glencoe Bothy, which is the ultimate destination.
Yes. This is Glendu Bothy.
I was hungry by the time we got here. I was ready for lunch.
Yeah.
What a place to have lunch. Spectacular views.
So this is new for both of us. We've not been up this side, so we don't really know what's coming.
But we found the path okay. And off we went. Some bits were a bit slippy.
Yep, it was wet, but a gentle slope up. So
it was.
Pretty easy, really.
It didn't look that from the other side, did it?
No, it didn't. It looked a lot steeper.
That's us looking back at Glendu Bothy. So after a wet walk around the headland, this was our first glimpse of the Bothy. And we were met with these beautiful scenes at the bottom.
Yeah, it's idyllic.
Isn't it lovely? There's the Bothy there. And we could see the waterfall, Britain's highest waterfall.
Yeah, it's not that far, is it?
Not that far. It's us putting up the tent. Super quick. And we met someone else doing the Cape Wrath Trail. And there's a little aerial view of where we were camped for the night. Wasn't too bad at all, really.
It was lovely.
So after we got the tent up, we went to find the waterfall.
Yeah, it didn't look too far away.
It didn't.
But it was.
It was. It was a bit further than we thought. And we were hungry and a bit tired. We'd already walked 10 miles by this point. But we found the path and we went off to find it. It's an impressive waterfall. 200 meters high.
Yep, and when in full flow, what is it? Something like 3 times higher than Niagara Falls.
That's right. But it was unfortunate that it was in the shade when we put the drone up. I think it came out okay. We were ready for dinner when we got back from the
We
waterfall.
certainly were.
And we got to use our new jet boil.
Yes, worked very well.
The last one lasted 15 years, we reckon,
Something like that, yeah.
before it packed in. And we like these dehydrated foods, this expedition foods. They're good.
Yes, so the ones that we've tried, these are definitely up the top.
Yeah. And you stepped on the ground in some socks, and then we spent the evening with a beer, looking out, watching the sunset.
Very peaceful.
Wasn't it? It was lovely. We didn't see any otters, though. That was a shame.
No, we didn't see any otters. But there's always next time.
There is always next time.